What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing a new Nike Dunk Low Blue Crater. Let's get into it. First, you got your normal Nike box with the white Nike on the red box, white Nike going across this side, the white Nike going across this side, and then on the front of the box it reads Nike Dunk Low SEGS, and the colorway is black mint foam and blue, light photo blue. Size 6. Let's get into it. All right. You got your normal white tissue paper on the inside of the shoe box. I already took the shoes out, and here we go. Nike Dunk Low, photo blue, and mint blue and black. All right, let's get into this colorway. You got your black leather on the toe box, which is the leather quality is not A1. It's the normal Dunk quality leather, so it's all right. You got your black going on the top of the toe box. You got your photo blue going across the front of the shoe, also going across the back of the shoe. Then you got your light aqua mint blue Nike check right here with your black on the leather going on the inside right there. Come with your white shoelaces on the top of the tongue. You got Nike in your mint green color. It also has like a different variety, like a multicolor going across the tongue. Also on the inside of the shoe, you got your normal Nike inside there with your mint green. The sides of the shoe got your all white going around the bottom, and then the bottom of the shoe is like it's like a different color material going on in there. I guess that's why they call it crater, and it's black with the different little pieces, different colorful pieces on the inside of that, as you can see it. Yeah, they didn't come with any extra shoelaces or nothing. It's just the standard white laces, in which I would actually like some black laces with these. I think that would have looked a little bit better, but it just came with some white ones. On the back of the shoe, you got your Nike in pink, also with that little different grainy material that's a multicolor going across the back with that also. This is the left shoe. Let's look at the right shoe. Looks the same as that way with your mint green Nike check going across and leather. You got your all black leather going on right here with your photo blue going across pretty much the whole shoe. Then you got the toe box, which is black. The sides of the shoe is all white, and it comes with your white shoestrings. And as I said, the tongue is a mint green Nike going on with the different multicolor grainy looking material going on the inside of there. And then on the bottom is like I would say like a smoke gray with a bunch of different particles that's like a multicolor going on the bottom, which is pretty different. I like that. I like that on the shoe. And then also got your black back of the shoe. They got your Nike in pink, and then you got your multicolored particles also on the back of the shoe also. So yeah, this was a nice grade school pair. As you can see, I see why they call it grade school, definitely because of the multicolored stuff they got going on with them. But I like them. They reminded me of those black and cobalt dunks. That's what they reminded me of, and I wasn't able to get those, so I said I'm just gonna get these just because they remind me of those black and cobalt ones. And but yeah, I like this pickup. It's not bad. I mean, nice shoe. They only retailed for $85, which wasn't bad. So I like that this was a nice little pickup for some dunks. I mean, dunks are in right now. I'm a hype beast, so of course I had to go along and get me some more dunks also. And these right here was just a perfect pair. Of course, I didn't hit on any of the other pairs that came out with these, so I wouldn't complain. This was the main pair I did like, just because of the blue and the black going on with this different colorway. It's like a fun colorway. You could just, it's like a fun looking shoe. So I liked this shoe. No complaints over here. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. Did you try to cop these or did you pass on them? I know it was like a big restock with the Panda Dunks, which they have restocked like a million times so far, and I already got a pair, so I didn't need to go for those. But I see there's just like a restock after restock after restock, so I was like, let me just try to go for a pair that hasn't been out before and just see if I'm able to hit on those, and I was. So I was happy about that. And yeah, this is a nice shoe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. What you think about this Nike Dunk Low SE Blue Crater colorway? I dig it. It's different. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. This is Nike Dunk Low. Like I said, go ahead and like and continue to subscribe to your girl. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post all my different reviews that I have. Like I said, 2022 is only cops that I will wear, so I won't be having every cop that come out. I'm just gonna get stuff I will be wearing. So if you don't see me for a while, sometimes I mean it wasn't nothing out for me to cop, but right now I've been on the road for a second here, so you might see me for a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, like I said, go ahead and continue to follow your girl on Instagram at sneakermom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all for today. Until the next time, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.
Thank you.